Today we'll see the instruction set of 8086. So 8086 is having 9 types of instructions: data copy or transfer instruction, arithmetic, logical, shift and rotate, branch, loop, machine control, flag manipulation, and string instruction. So in this video, we will see data copy or data transfer instruction. So first one is the move. So move destination comma source. So it is the syntax of move. So move will transfer the data from source to the destination. So it will transfer the data from source to destination. So source can be either register, memory location, or it can be a immediate data, and destination can be register or memory. But both source and destination cannot be memory location, or it cannot be a segment registers. Example, move AX comma BX. So here both AX and BX are the registers of type 16-bit. So the value of AX is FF33 and the value of BX is 10AB. So if I execute this instruction using move, so the contents of BX will be transferred to AX. So next, push. So syntax is push source. So here, so the push instruction will push the 16-bit of contents by the source onto the stack. So pushing operation, it will decrement the stack pointer at the same time, and stack pointer is a 16-bit register. It contains the address of the memory location. So example, push BX. So here BX is the 16-bit register. It is having the contents of 10 AB. So your stack pointer is pointing to the memory location 5002. Okay. So if I execute this instruction, so first the content 10 will be pushed onto the stack, and at the same time the stack pointer will start decrementing its pointing. Next, so first 10 will be pushed onto the stack, and next AB, it will be pushed onto the stack. So stack pointer will point to the current memory location where it is pointing. So current memory location is 5000. So next instruction, pop. So pop will remove the contents from the stack. So pop is a 16-bit register. So popping operation, it will increment the stack pointer. So example, pop DS. So I'm copying the contents to the data segment. So if I execute this, so first 10 will be popped. At the same time, the stack pointer gets incrementing. Next, AB. The DS is the 16-bit register. So next instruction, exchange. So syntax is XCHG destination comma source. So this instruction exchanges the contents from source with the destination. So in this instruction, both the source and destination can't be the memory location. So example, XCHG BX comma AX. Here both BX and AX are the 16-bit registers. The value of BX is 10AB and the value of AX is FF33. So if I execute this instruction, both the values get exchanged with each other. So next instruction is port. So this instruction will copy the contents of port. It can be either 8-bit or 16-bit. So here we are using the DX as the register to copy the contents of 16-bit. And to copy the contents of 8-bit, I'm using the AX register. So the syntax is IN. For AL, it is 8-bit, and for AX, it is 16-bit. So for example, IN AL, 80H. So 80H is the memory address where I'm going to copy. So if I execute this, so at 80H, I'm having the value 12. So it gets copied into the AL register. So in the case of 16-bit, IN AX, DX. So here the contents of DX has been copied to the AX register. So here DX is pointing to the memory location 8000. So at the address 8000, we are having the values 12 and 34. So those values have been copied into the AX register. So next instruction, XL80. So it is nothing but translate. So this instruction uses the implied addressing mode. To execute this instruction, first we need to move the contents of AL. So we need to move the contents of memory location in the data segment, and whose offset address we are calculating by the adding the values of BX and AL. So for example, DS is a data segment register where we are having the address of 1000, and BX is 0400, and AL is 05. So we need to calculate the effective address. So for calculating the effective address, 1000 into 10H, 0400 and 05. So by summing all this, we will get the effective address as 10405. So it is the effective address. So if I execute, initially the value of AL is 05. So after calculating the effective address, so at this location, I'm having the value 20H. If I execute this instruction XL80, so the contents of AL has been overridden by 20H. So XL80 will translate the value 20 into address of AL register. So this is the implied addressing mode, XL80.